Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford C-Max. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Taking a look inside now, you have leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the C-Max on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that's provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.